Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Building your very own mini air blower. This little gadget is incredibly useful for cleaning dust from keyboards, electronics, and any other place where a powerful jet of air comes in handy. It's a simple project, easy to make, and you probably have most of the materials lying around. Let's get started. First, let's gather our components. You'll need a small, high RPM DC motor. The higher the RPM, the more powerful your air blower will be. Next, you'll need an impeller. This is the fan that will actually blow the air. You can 3D print one, or if you don't have a 3D printer, we can get creative and make one from a bottle cap. We'll also need a housing for our air blower. You can use a PVC pipe, a plastic bottle, or anything else that will contain the airflow. Finally, we'll need a 9 volts or 12 volts power source, such as a battery or a power adapter. Okay, let's start building. If you're 3D printing an impeller, now's the time to do it. You can find free designs online, or you can design your own. If you don't have access to a 3D printer, don't worry. We'll show you how to make an impeller from a bottle cap. Simply cut out some blades from the bottle cap and bend them slightly to create a fan shape. This will work surprisingly well. Next, let's assemble the motor and impeller. Carefully attach the impeller to the motor shaft. Make sure it's secure. Now, let's prepare the housing. If you're using a PVC pipe, you can simply glue the motor to one end. If you're using a plastic bottle, you'll need to cut a hole in the bottle cap. That's the size of your motor and then glue the motor to it. Ensure the impeller has enough space to spin freely within the housing without hitting anything. Once the motor and impeller are secured within the housing, it's time to test it out. Connect your 9 volts or 12 volts power source to the motor. Be careful, the impeller will spin at high speeds, so keep your fingers away from it. You should see a strong jet of air coming out of the housing. If the airflow isn't strong enough, you might need to try a different impeller design or a motor with a higher RPM. And that's it, you've successfully built your own mini air blower. It's a simple and effective tool for cleaning dust from your electronics and other small spaces. You can customize it to your liking, using different housings and impeller designs. Experiment with it and have fun. Remember to always take precautions when working with electronics. Disconnect the power source when you're not using the air blower. Also, avoid blowing air directly into sensitive components, as this could potentially damage them. That said, congratulations on completing this DIY project. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun DIY projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you next time.